Hello there. I wanted to briefly show what my microphone settings are, since a person had asked about that. It's kind of easier to explain this way so you can see the screen on how we set our audio up in Eclipse. You go to Alt-U, User Settings. I go to Real Time. Then I go down to Compression. I have a choice here in the drop-down window of Format, and I have a lot to choose from. Predominantly, those with Eclipse will either choose maybe GSM or PCM or Speaks. In my case, I like to choose Speaks, and once I choose Speaks, I also have a lot of options to choose from. But the option that we have that works best for the majority of Eclipse users is the 24.6 kilobytes per second, 8 kilohertz mono Q10. Records at 3 kilobytes a second. Now, to put that in perspective, if someone were to choose something that recorded at in some PCM settings, if you drop down in here, you can see something, say 21 kilobytes a second. If you chose 21 kilobytes a second versus what I choose, the Speaks at 3 kilobytes a second, your audio file is going to be 7 times larger than what my audio file is going to be. Your sound may be minutely better, but is it really worth wasting that much space on your hard drive? If you divide my 3 kilobytes by 21, you come up with 7, and that's where I come up with the 7 times bigger, because that's what happens. So I'm going to go back over here to Speaks. I'm going to drop down. I'm going to find my little Q10 that I like here, the 24.6, and drop it in back there and click OK. And that's how we choose our audio settings for Eclipse. I hope this helps.